Hi, my name's Rachel. This tutorial is designed to help learners to both understand and use functions in Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate the functions today, sum and if. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add a function that will automatically insert the date of sale at the top of each invoice. So, if we click in cell C4 next to the date of sale and click on the Insert Function button and choose Today from the list of functions, if it's not in the list you can also search for it to bring it to the top of the list. Click OK and OK again, and you'll see that today's date has been automatically inserted into that cell. If you want to save and close your spreadsheet and reopen it, you'll see that the date is still automatically inserted. If you open the spreadsheet tomorrow, tomorrow's date will be automatically inserted. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is type a formula that will total up each line of the invoice for us so that it doesn't have to be done manually. So if we click in cell F7 and we type equals, open brackets, and then we select the quantity, then we do a star on our keyboard for times, then we select the price, close our brackets and press enter on our keyboard, we now have a formula in that cell that will total that line for us. What we then need to do is repeat this formula all the way down all of the possible total lines for the invoice. So if we click the little black square at the bottom right hand corner of the cell and drag it all the way down to row 21 and release, we'll now see that we've got a line total for every one of the lines, and where there is no quantity and price we've just got 0. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is add a formula that will total the invoice up for us. So if we click in cell F23 next to order total and we type equals sum, open the brackets and then click on F7 and drag all the way down to F21 so that we've selected the whole range of numbers that we want to sum up. Close our brackets and press enter. We now have a total of 102.13 in there. If any of these figures change, or if we add new items to the order and these figures change, the order total will also automatically change. Okay. Now at the bottom of the page you'll see we've got a special offer that orders over £25 receive 10% discount. Now to save us from having to work this out manually, we can do an if statement. So if we click on the Insert Function button and we choose the if function and choose OK. So what we're going to be saying here is if F23, which is the order total, is greater than £25, so we'll type that here, if F23 is greater than 25, so that's the logical test. If F23 is greater than 25, then what do we want to do if that's true? If it's true, we want to do F23 times 0.90. So that's basically taking off 10% discount by timesing it by 0.90. Okay? If it's not true, if it's false, what do we want to do? We don't want to apply any discount, so we just want to leave the order total as the value in F23. Okay? So if we press on OK, there we go, our order is over £25 and our discount has now been applied and the order total is £91.92. Okay? And that's the end of the first tutorial on functions.